All right, we're on Escape from Pompeii. You ready for this?
During your ride,
No.
please remain seated facing
Busch
forward
Gardens,
with your hands
Williamsburg,
and arms
obviously.
down and inside the boat.
we
Secure
go.
any loose articles you may have, or they may become lost
I think
or
it's
damaged.
mostly dark
Thank
ride,
you,
right?
and enjoy your
With a
tour
big
of the
splash
River
at the end.
Pompeii.
Oh.
How wet do you think we'll get?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
7.
7?
What do you think?
6? Maybe? I don't know.
Okay. This is really pretty. All right, I already like this ride. Okay, I have to change shoes when we get to the car.
So our feet just got soaked.
Our feet are just in the water.
Woo!
Oh, that is hot.
Wow.
Whoa, it's really warm in here.
Yeah.
It's almost like this. All right, here we go.
And here we go.
Hey, that's my life. Here we go.
I have no regrets. Okay, I think that might have been a 10.
Yeah, baby.
Woo! Definitely a 9 on the soaked scale.
Oh.
That was fun.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you do get soaked. I underestimated.
If I would have known, I would have picked up my feet at the first drop there because it's like soaked our shoes and our. But you know, anyway, what'd you think? Did you like it?
That was fun. That's a great way to end the day.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you on the next adventure.